Hello everyone, this is my review of the Veehoo Dog Cat Cave Bed, an excellent choice for pets who love to burrow or enjoy extra warmth and privacy. The round design with a removable hood creates a snug and inviting space, perfect for small to medium pets who like to feel secure. The bed is well padded with soft materials that provides both comfort and support. The removable hood is a great feature, allowing you to switch between an open or covered setup depending on your pet's preference. The anti-slip bottom ensures the bed stays in place even on hardwood floors or tile floors. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to removable and washable cover. The gray color is neutral and stylish, fitting seamlessly in any home, but you can also get it in khaki as well. If you want a cozy, well-designed bed that offers versatility and comfort, this is a fantastic option. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.